Mahatma Gandhi said, Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Good morning, our manager, Sister Marriott, our principal, Sister Lissy, headmistress, Sister Renu, sisters, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today we, the students of Class 8B, are going to present before you the digital assembly on the topic Let's Keep Our Common Home Safe. Our Earth is a beautiful living planet in the universe and the common habitat of more than 7 billion human population and millions of species of biodiversity. Our Earth provides us with food, shelter, and most of our requirements. Despite unavoidable free services provided by the Earth to humans, we are not able to pay off her kindness to us. Rather, we humans are being cruel to our Earth with our selfish activities.
Environment is the source of life. It consists of all living beings and creatures and their surroundings. It determines and directs our growth and development. Human beings depends on food, shelter, water, and various other things on the environment that surrounds us. There exists a balanced natural cycle between all living creatures and the environment.
The environment plays a crucial role in the growth and development of all the living things on Earth, especially to humanity's everyday life.
Our common home, Earth, is an integral part of mankind. Earth, without a doubt, is one of the most beautiful and precious things that the God has created. The resources and gifts that the Earth provides us are abundant. The Earth provides us with all the necessities to survive. It is one of the greatest blessings for human life, and therefore it is our duty not to misuse the resources and keep our common home safe and clean.
Environment is an important segment that enables the growth of all life organisms and biotech components on Earth. It is man's responsibility to protect the environment for all the species for near future. However, the contemporary world has gained an increasing demand for industries and technologies that have led to environmental abuse.
जंग चलो संग संग रात में अंधेरा है तो दिन में छाए रंग क्यों लड़ेंगे जंग चलो संग संग रात में अंधेरा है तो दिन में छाए रंग तेरी मेरी सांसों में धड़कन में इस धरती का कण कण है इस अंधेरी दुनिया को हम पे नजर तो रब की है ये धरती तो सबकी है हाथ में हाथ जो मिल जाए कुछ भी मुमकिन प्यार है यहाँ प्यार है समा प्यार से भरा ये जहां प्यार है यहाँ प्यार है समा प्यार से भरा ये जहां क्यों लड़ेंगे जंग चलो संग संग रात में अंधेरा है तो दिन में छाए रंग इंसानियत नहीं तो कैसी ये जिंदगी है आजाद है अगर हम कैसी ये कैदगी है दिल में
environment is under distress, and it is not a hidden fact anymore. The threat we are facing right now is alarming, and it is our duty to conserve our environment before it gets too late. As inhabitants of this earth, we all must come together to do our bit to save our environment. It is important to note that even the smallest of our actions impact the environment directly or indirectly.
We all know that the Earth is the only known planet having life in this universe. So, we should respect and conserve everything we get from our Mother Earth. We should save the Earth so that our future generations can live in a safe environment. We can save the Earth by saving trees, natural vegetation, natural resources, water, etc. There are many simple ways we can do to protect the Mother Earth.
We should always use non-toxic chemicals at homes and in offices so that when they goes into the drain and reaches our waterways, they will prevent the damage of flora and fauna of the waterways. Also, the water we drink will not be toxicated. Volunteer for cleaning up. We should always volunteer for cleaning up in a community. For this, we can take help of our friends and family members to get involved in small ways for cleaning.
Reduce, reuse and recycle. We should always cut down on what we throw away. Always follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources and landscape space.
Educate ourselves and others. When we educate ourselves further, we can help others understand the importance and values of our natural resources.
Use long-lasting light bulbs. Energy-efficient light bulbs reduce the greenhouse gas emission. So, we should go for those light bulbs which consume less energy. This will ultimately help in conserving our natural resource.
Plant the trees. Plant provide us food and oxygen. They help to save energy, clean the air and combat climate change.
We care for our planet today and we can make a difference for tomorrow. Let us all take pledge to save the earth.
I pledge I will protect our planet. I promise to celebrate Earth Day every day. It is our responsibility to keep the earth healthy for people and animals.
I pledge to save energy by switching off the lights and electronics when not being used. I will walk, bike or share rides with family and friends. I pledged to take energy saving actions at home today which will help reduce the greenhouse gas emissions and protect our planet for tomorrow.
I pledge I will conserve resources. I promise to use a refillable water bottle or drinking. I will not waste water. I will use reusable bags for shopping.
I pledge I will not litter. I promise to put trash into proper dustbin and remember to recycle and keep the earth clean and green each day.
Get together, tomorrow's in our hands now.
Find the words that matter, say them out loud. I make it better somehow.
Looking down from up on the moon, it's a tiny blue marble. Who'd have thought the ground would stand on?
Could be so fragile.
This is a love song to the earth. You know what an every world, a diamond in the universe. Heaven's poetry to us. Keep it higher, keep it higher, keep it higher. 'Cause it's our way.
You wanna be motherless. Green heart is the way of death. Speediness and too much greediness. 6 billion people all want plentiness. Some people think this is harmless, but if we continue the loneliness, emptiness.
This is a love song to the earth. You're no ordinary world. We're timing in the universe. Heaven's poetry to us. Keep it safe. Keep it safe. Keep it safe.
Special paradise.
Let's keep it safe. This is a love song to the earth. There's no ordinary world. Timing in the universe. Heaven's poetry to us. Keep it safe. Keep it safe. Keep it safe. 'Cause it's our world. It's our world. 'Cause it's our world.
Good morning, Sister Marriott, Sister Lissy, Sister Renu, teachers, parents, and my dear children. The threat to the environment is increasing day by day. The natural calamities, the melting of the glaciers, the global warming are some of the alarming situation as to why we should protect our environment now. It is human who is responsible for all the environmental destruction, and it is no other than we people can work for protection of our mother nature. So, for the sustainability of our planet, we should all try to fulfill our responsibility as a global citizen to protect our mother nature. We should always try to save the planet from destruction and hand over the clean and green planet to our future generation. Our effort may be a small one towards this big cause, but I am sure when thousands of youth come together and work for this small little effort will create a drastic change towards the conserving of our environment. So let us all come together in our own little way, so that we should give each other a safe and protected nature, earth, environment to live in. Thank you.
It is my honor and privilege to extend a vote of thanks on this auspicious moment. On behalf of Class 8B, I want to thank Sister Lissy, Sister Renu, and Neeta ma'am for guiding us and giving us suggestions for making this assembly. A very big thank to Javed sir for beautifully compiling all our videos and making this assembly a meaningful one. I would also like to thank all my classmates who were continuously helping each other even digitally and have worked hard for putting up this assembly. Last but not the least, I want to thank all our parents and viewers for encouraging us at every moment. Thank you.